Hey, namaste everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, in this episode, we are going to talk about healing. You need to heal yourself before you enter into any relationship. So, in this episode, I'm going to share the reasons why you should heal yourself before you get into any relationship. What is the importance? If you had a difficult childhood, or if you have experienced any kind of pain in your past relationship, heartbreak, betrayal, you know anything like that, you really need to heal yourself before you enter into any relationship. Okay, so that it won't affect your future relationship. Okay, so without any further delays, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'll start with childhood. Okay, so the first reason that you need to heal yourself before you get into any relationship is your childhood. Yes, childhood of any person is, it's like the basic foundation of their life. It's like foundation of their life, foundation of their future. Okay, so if you had a difficult childhood, or you know you have you one of your parents were not emotionally open, emotionally available, then you might be struggling, when it comes to being open to love, being vulnerable with people, and most importantly, being vulnerable with your partner. Okay, so in most of the cases, I've seen that people, uh, you know, so in most of the cases, I have seen that parents were not emotionally available. Parents were not so emotionally like open, loving, caring to their child, and they they don't. And child, like, when they grown up, they don't know how does it feel like to be loved by someone, because their parents were never emotionally available. They don't know how does it feel like to be loved, to be cared by someone. So they have hard time being emotionally vulnerable. They have a hard time, like, being open to love and emotionally available to their partner. So So a childhood is the most important, like the basic foundation of any person's life. And uh, and if it was not like a smooth sailing, then you really need to heal yourself. Otherwise, what will happen is that you will be struggling to, being open to love, being emotionally vulnerable. you know here's the thing. Okay, at the end of the day, what keeps a relationship beautiful is your emotional intimacy with your partner. How vulnerable you are, how emotionally open you are with your partner. Because at the end of the day, what what makes any relationship beautiful, stronger, is that emotional intimacy. Okay, so if you lack that emotional intimacy, if you don't know how to be emotionally, like, open, emotionally vulnerable with your partner, it will have a very negative effect on your relationship. Okay, No matter how good person, no matter how good person you are, no matter how beautiful heart, like no matter how like beautiful heart you have, if you can't be open to love, if you can't be vulnerable with your partner, it doesn't make any sense, right? It doesn't make any sense. So no matter how beautiful person you are, no matter how kind you are, no matter how loving you are from inside, but if you have a hard time expressing all these things, not not only your partner will suffer in the long run, it will have a very negative effect on your relationship. So it is important to heal yourself before you get into any relationship. If you had difficult childhood, or if your parents were not emotionally open, emotionally available, loving, sweet, okay, so heal yourself before you get into any relationship. If you had difficult childhood, or you haven't like never experienced that love, that care, that affection, like you don't know that how does it feel like to be loved because your parents were not available. So heal yourself, okay, so that when you get into any relationship, you can really enjoy that relationship with your partner, and it can create like, you can create a strong foundation for your relationship, for your future. So it is important to heal yourself, heal your childhood trauma if you have any, okay, so that you can have a beautiful relationship in future with your partner. Now let's move to the second point. Past pain, past trauma. It is important to heal yourself from your past trauma, past pain, past heartbreak, so that you don't carry that pain with yourself in that new relationship, so that you don't carry that baggage, past baggage in that new relationship. It is very important. Whatever happened in your past relationship, it has served that purpose, okay? That relationship might have teach you something, okay, that you need to, that you really need to learn, okay, that so once you reach to a certain point in your life, you really need to let go of that past pain, and really 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 allow yourself to feel that love, that affection, that that the other person is trying to give you, okay. You don't need to you don't need to be stuck in that past pain, past hurt. Understand that you needed to learn something, and that person, that relationship was just a catalyst, okay. That person, that relationship was a catalyst, so that you can learn, so that you can learn and grow and become a better person. Every relationship that we have in our life are always mirroring something, okay. We are always mirroring something to each other, okay. It's not about love relationship, okay. When the other person bring us that shadow side that we are trying to run away from a long time, something that we don't know that exists within ourselves. That person is just trying to show us that mirror. That person is just trying to show our shadow side, shadow self, that we are trying to run, that we are trying to run away. Like, okay, so whatever past pain you had or past relationship you had, understand that it has served its purpose. That that person, that relationship was catalyst so that you can learn, grow, and break that pattern, so that you can heal. Okay. And so that and when you heal, when you are in love with yourself, you attract a beautiful healthy relationship. Okay. So let go that past pain, that relationship, that person. This message is for the people who are finding it very difficult to move on from their past, and still, like, you know, still thinking about the past pain. Let go so that you can receive something that can really heal, something that can, something that you really deserve. Okay. So let go. And yeah. Yeah, so that's all I have for this episode. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.